Hi everybody, Danny here. Well, are we ready to start on our new project? It's going to be fun. I'll meet you at the easel. And here we go. Okay, this is the double whammy. This is watercolor and acrylic. We're painting the same painting, but I want to show you how it can be done and how it is done and how it will work both ways. Okay, this first is the acrylic. We're laying the acrylic down here like this. Okay, just like that. Now we're going to come in to the lighter color like this. Okay, we're just going to move it up so it can blend in with its buddy, just like that. Okay, and there we are. Now we have that. Okay, nice even strokes, just like that. Okay, there's our acrylic sky, just like that. Okay, and as you can see, that didn't take a whole lot of extra work. Okay, there we go. We want that little light spot there. Perfect. Now, for the watercolor, okay, we're going to come right into the watercolor, just like this. We're just going to lay our sky in, just like that. Okay, get it right out there to the edge. We want it to the edge. Okay, just like that. Okay, we'll just pull it right out here. There we go. And again, we've got that little light spot. So what we're going to do to make that is we're going to come in here with a little bit of tissue. And we're just going to lift like that. Just like that. To get that little light spot in the sky. We can lift the acrylic too, see, just like that. Same maneuver, just like that. And there we have our skies set in. Now I'm going to save those little pieces there because we're going to need them again here tomorrow. Okay, now be with me tomorrow and we're going to go ahead and paint the water in, okay? Be sure to like, subscribe, follow, hit the link. Give us a comment, and remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you. And there we go. We're off to a flying start. I don't like that dark blue, so I'm going to put some turquoise and white over it. You'll see tomorrow, okay? In the meantime, remember, Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you.